What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior aka Semi, and welcome to Semi 2 Tech, the channel that brings you everything from product reviews, tech reviews, app reviews, all the way to live streaming and live gaming and everything else in between. So if you like all that stuff plus more, then stay tuned to the channel. And before we get started with this great new video, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and once the subscribe button has been pressed, click on the bell next to it and select all, so you get all notifications every time I drop a new video or go live. Also, don't forget to hit that like button right here, and also share the video to all your social media platforms so nobody ever miss a thing from us. And also, guys, remember I do have a website you can check out. Come over here, go to semi2.tech, and it'll bring you right here to this page. Look at this great layout of web page just for you guys. You can do so much stuff here. Come and check it out. Are you guys looking for some awesome and great IPTV service? Then come and check out rawsavetv.com. It's a great looking website. Look at it, it's so nice and clean, with plans starting as low as $9.99. Get a pro version or a normal reward version. Look at all these great services that they have here. A great website. But wait, let's go and check out the app itself. Look at this great looking app here. Have live TV, movies, TV series, catch up, live with EPG. You got all this stuff to choose from, guys. And look at 19,000 live channels to choose from. Look at all these genres you could choose from, guys. Why wait? You won't regret it. Get your service today. Alright guys, thanks for coming back. I do appreciate all the love and support you guys show the channel. Remember, want to continue supporting the channel, all you gotta do is like all my videos, share my videos, comment on all my videos, and if you still haven't done so, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time I drop great videos like this one or when I go live. And trust me guys, you don't never want to miss a thing. Alright guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to download YouTube videos on your computer if you want a certain video to save on your computer. As you guys know, a lot of times either YouTube deletes somebody's video or the creator deletes the video themselves, but you found that video to be such an informative way that you want to download it. Or there's other people that what they like to do, which is completely wrong, download somebody's video and upload it to their channel and they try to drive traffic to their channel. I've seen this have done to many people, including myself. I didn't know somebody was actually copying all my videos. They just took my video, downloaded it, and uploaded it to their website because I was doing such a good time. And boom, they got traffic as well. I didn't know about it because I don't really look for my stuff being out there because I don't think I'm that big or, oh my God, amazing that people want to copy my stuff. But people were copying it, which I was very surprised. And I would think, okay, if they copied my video, they might have just changed a few things, you know. But no, they directly copied my whole video, downloaded it, uploaded it on their platform, everything. It was nothing changed, not the title, no nothing. They even copied the title and everything. And the only reason I found about it is because somebody emailed me and told me, hey, somebody's uploading your video to this channel. So I went over and I looked at them like, okay. If they would have gave me credit or anything, I would have left it be. I'm like, whatever, it is what it is. But they didn't send anybody to my way or nothing. So what I did, I copyright struck them. Simple as that. If you want to use my video, go buy him. I'll let you use it. I don't care. But out of courtesy, ask. That's simple. Or give credit. That's all I care. If you're using my direct video, use credit. But anyways, that's not the whole point of this video. The point of the video is, you want to download a video to keep it for your own record? This is an easy way. Or you want to download your video that you uploaded and you by accident deleted the video that you created, but you still want that video, you want to keep a file because you want to upload it somewhere else as well. This is a way to back it up from off YouTube and upload it somewhere else. That's simple. Alright, so what we're going to do first is shrink myself down and then head over to my webpage. So let's go and shrink myself down now. There we go. We're going to open up a browser. And now we're going to go ahead and go to my webpage. Alright, here we go. So here we're on my webpage. Wonderful webpage. Check it out. Tons of stuff to do. Alright, and then once we're here, we're going to go to others and go to PC software. Open that up. Once we open that up, here are all the PC softwares that I have so far. I will be adding a lot more later on. I did this new page and then just wanted to add some there now. Alright, so the app we're talking about today is any video converter right here. Alright, so I got the PC version and I got the Mac version because they work both for Mac and PC. Just got to get the one for you. These links will take you directly to the web page to download it. Well, not directly. It just takes you to the download, but it's downloaded directly from the web page. So you'll always get the latest version if you download it from here, from these two sites. Alright, but if you did want to go to the web page, you could go easily by going to anyvideoconverter.com. So any-video-converter.com, and you can go right here and download directly from their website. The reason why I did it my way, because it's a lot easier to download it, because all you have to do is click on here and it starts downloading, as you see right there. I'm going to cancel that because I already have it installed, so you don't have to go anywhere else. Just click on it and download it, and that's it. Here, I confused it when I first started getting it, again, because when I first had it, it was a lot easier. I did it from CNET, but then now you can only get it directly from the website. So when you get it from their website, I got confused with the free version that they have on top compared to their free version, the one I'm using, and they're two different apps and it's completely different. So I didn't want you guys to get confused, so I did it that way. But if you did want to do it here because you don't trust my site that well yet, then you can do it from here. I'll show you real quick. You go to the website. I just told you, anyvideoconverter.com. Put the dash between any and video and converter, and then go to downloads. Once you're in the download section, this is the one I kept downloading because I thought this was it. Because I go through here, I'm like, okay, this must be it. There's nothing else, because all this is a video and DVD. I'm like, okay, it's not here. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna download this one, but it was not the same. I'm like, why doesn't it look the same? So you can either go just scroll all the way down, because look at all these that they have here, or just click on freeware like I did right here, and it takes you to the bottom. As you see, I was just right here. All I gotta do is go all the way to the bottom to the freeware right here. Let's see if we go here, boom, freeware, and it's gonna be right here, any video converter free. This is the one we're gonna talk about, and there's a PC version and the Mac version. That's the reason why they want you guys to get confused, because I don't want you to download the wrong one. But this is it right here. If you didn't want to do it, up to you if you didn't. But simple, very, very simple. So once you download it, it pops up down here, or whatever you use as a browser to download it. Open it up, and it'll bring up the app right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the app again. Oh, well, I open it up for the first time, and you get this menu right here. This is everything you need to do. I have convert videos, burn DVDs, play videos, add CD disc, add video, add URL. Yes, it has a lot of options. I like this because if I want to convert a video, I can convert it directly from one of my files online, put it here, just drag it, convert it to any other format I want to do it, or I can do the same thing with audio. It has a lot of options. And then you could burn DVDs if you have a DVD burner. Nowadays, nobody has one. I don't even have one anymore. Both my PC cases don't have an input to even put a CD burner in, or even kind of DVD player on there. So basically, the CDs are obsolete. This is such an old software. It still works such a great way. I still love it. And of course, CD, that's for music. So here, basically, you want to add a URL, and you put the URL here, and you can download from YouTube, like we just said. We're gonna do Facebook, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Live Leaks, Metacalf, and this other one I have no idea what it is. So you got all those options here. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this to the side real quick, and we're gonna go to my YouTube page. Actually, I'm just gonna go directly from my webpage. So go back to my webpage, go to connect with me. I'm gonna go straight to my webpage, so my Semi2Tech one. Click on it, just makes it easier to find it instead of me searching for it on YouTube. So once you're here, you go ahead and pick one of the videos. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one right here. Pause it. There's two ways you can do it. You can either download the URL from here, copy the URL from here, or I'd like to do it this way. It's a lot better. Go to share, copy, and then go back over here, bring this over here, and you can do it two ways. You can right click it and paste URL, which would be right there, and or you could go to add URL, and as you see, is my thumbnail and my name of the video right up top. Or you go to, like I said, add URL, and then you hit the plus sign here, and copy the URL right there and hit start downloading. That's simple. Either way you want to do it, that's up to you. So once you download the video, once it starts downloading, because it downloads to your computer as a certain file, but you can't play it, you can download it here, and then once it's downloaded, it tells you how long the video is, what format it's in, the name of the video, and the audio type, and if it has subtitles or you want to add subtitles, you can do it here. So if you have a movie that doesn't have subtitles and you find the SRT file, you put the video in here and put the SRT file in there, and you can have the video with the built-in subtitles as well. That's another reason why I like this video converter. I love this one. This is my favorite one. I've been using this for years and years and years, guys. Alright, anyways. So now, this is the basic layout. You wonder what layout is going to convert it to. It all depends on what you pick. You go up here where it says customize MP4. That's what I use to convert the videos from whatever format I had it on here to whatever format I want. And they have so many formats here, guys. Look at it. You can do all. You can do Mac. You can do Android S. I don't know what that S is for. Android, PlayStation, Windows, LG, TV settings. So whatever you pick, let's say I want to go to PlayStation, you pick the system you have, and it gives you the different options. Because the way this has it, because it has a preset, so it knows what resolution to put it in for that certain device. So you can download the MP4, MKV, M2TS, don't know what that is. You can do it all those. So let's say you want to do it for Mac. You go to Mac, you can do it for all these devices right here, guys. You find the device you want to convert it into, and that's it. You convert it and they'll put it in the correct format, correct everything for that device itself. But me personally, I used to use all that for other things when I had an Apple phone, but now I have Samsung, so I don't really care for that. So all I use it for is for video conversions when I need to do video, download it. So you go to here to video files, and I just pick one of these, the common video formats, and I pick it here. This will give you the basic format setting and everything. So if you want to change the settings and do it a little bit different, you can change it right here. Right now it's going to do video size in 1080p, qualities in normal. You can change it from low, normal, or high, whatever you want to do it. You can actually start the conversion at a certain time if you want to, or you make it shorter, up to you. You want to check the video options, you can click here. You can check all the codecs, the bit rate, the aspect, encode, pass, all this right here. You can change it if you know what you're doing, and also with the same thing with the audio. Once you're done with all the settings, everything, once you change it one time, it saves the setting every time for you, unless you change it again. But yeah, it saves all the settings. Once it's all ready for you to go, you already have it. All you gotta do is click convert now, and as you see, that video is being converted. So it's saying it's gonna take about 3 minutes to convert it completely. Once that's done converting, it's gonna pop up the window where it converted it to. So it's gonna create a folder, and then go to that folder every time unless you change it specifically. But that's where it's gonna go every time. I have mine set up in a specific folder, and it just creates another folder in that folder, depending which video format I use or audio format I use. So we're just gonna give it a couple more minutes, let that finish up. Once it's finished, we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so we're almost done here, and we got a few seconds left, about 8 seconds. And once it's finished, the window is gonna pop up for where the file is located. Well, see, as you see, it just popped up for me, and that's the file that I just created right there, and it popped up. I don't have to go and look for it. It pops it up for me, and I can just copy it to where I want it, upload it where I want it, and I'll give you the direction of the folder where it's at right there. But I'm gonna close that out because I don't need to open it. Let's open it real quick to see how it looks, real quick to see if it actually looks good. And look, it popped up just like it looks. It looks great. Not worry about it. You can check it yourself if you want to. Simple. All right. And I'm gonna close that out. But yeah, you'll get this pop up every time you convert something. It tells you want to go with the pro version, gives you all the different options. But as you see with the pro version, it just gives you the DVD ripping and DVD menu template. Of course, like unless you use that, like I said, nobody uses DVD anymore. So these two things are useless. So there's no reason for you to get the pro version, in my opinion. All right, you got free lifetime upgrades and free lifetime email support. Guys, you really don't need it. So all we need is convert any video format, and we got that for free. Download videos from 100 plus sites. We got that on both sides, so we're good. That's all we need. So I'm gonna exit out, and that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to use the software to download videos from YouTube or any other platform, guys, and convert your videos as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on how to do this. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure everybody's aware of everything we do on the channel and they don't miss a thing as well. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button and enable bell notification so you get notified every time I drop great videos like this one or when I go live. And trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss a thing. And that's it, guys. Until next time, this is Junior, aka Semi, signing out from Semi to Tech. Peace.